Joaquin Valley Transparency. We're here at the County of Kern Public Services Building. The guy's vaping. He has an earpiece on. Yeah, I'm here with two channels. I'm with Kern County Transparency and Tulare County Cop Watch.
Alright. Here we go again. They're here. She doesn't want to see this. We're back.
Looky.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
How are you guys doing today?
Good.
Not too bad.
I'm doing great. Why don't you get everybody over here so I can say it one time so you can hear it once. Do we have anybody
You can
else?
say it to me.
I know, I want to make sure it happens all at one time. Make sure you get it. Come over here, please. Over here, please.
He don't listen very well.
Of course he doesn't listen very well. All right, you guys, real quick. All right, so at least you'll film me. Okay, so this is designated as a limited forum. What that means is that you're not allowed to video. Okay, if you don't understand what limited forum is, I recommend you go talk to your lawyers.
Please
because we
don't
have a
raise your
designation.
voice.
We have a spot where
Please don't. Let's
I'm not
bring
raising my
let's
voice.
bring it down a
I
little
wanna make
bit,
sure you can
please.
hear me.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
As I said before, it's a limited public forum. What that means is that you're not allowed to videotape in this area. We have a designated spot where you can videotape in the council where the Board of Supervisors is in their rotunda. What I would ask is that you please go over there to do the videotaping. Next, you're going to ask me if I'm going to throw you out and call the cops. Of course I'm not, because they have a lot more important things to do than come here right now. We have people running a business right now. They're trying to get their permits. I would request that you have the respect for them, not to go stand over there and just do what you're going to do and then please leave, because you're not allowed to film here.
My turn.
Okay?
So that's policy. And
Adopted by the Board of Supervisors. That is correct.
what we have, though, are human rights.
I know.
And those human rights, we get to do whatever we want.
Our
And sometimes,
policies are
wait a
consistent with the
minute,
adopted
I let you
provisions you have under
speak.
the
I
First
let
Amendment.
you speak, sir. And so all these things, you know, the First Amendment, the Constitution, policy, all these other things, you know, they're just basically for you guys to understand where your boundaries are. Those are not written for
They
us.
are for you as well.
Those are written for you guys.
Nope, that is not
okay.
true. And if you disagree, I recommend you
I
talk to
disagree.
your counsel.
I disagree.
All right? So I'd ask you not to
Have a
film.
nice day.
Thank you guys.
Have a great day.
What are you guys videotaping for?
We're just going around doing First Amendment protected activity. Go on and record where the public's allowed, so is the camera. And a lot of times, you know, we have to have questions. See, I'm not as smart as I look. What I do have is a big foot, and I like to stick it indoors so that the people that watch my channel have important questions.
What channel? What's your channel?
San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Check it out on YouTube.
Do you have a card or anything?
I do, man. You know, a lot of people don't appreciate what we do, but a lot of people do appreciate what we do.
Yeah, it doesn't
Mhm.
bother me. I was just curious.
Awesome.
I thought, oh, am I gonna be on TV?
Hey, thanks for inquiring, man.
No problem.
Have a great day.
You too.
How's it going, brother? Is that your boss that came out here?
Huh?
Was that the supervisor that came out here?
Oh, we got multiple.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs.
What was your name, sir?
My name is Craig Murphy.
Craig Murphy.
Yep.
Have a great day, man.
You too. All right, thank you. Appreciate you guys coming in.
Make sure you say hi to yourself on my channel.
I know. Let's go. I'm gonna get all the phone calls tomorrow.
Hey, did you want to be famous or what?
No.
Yeah.
I'm just letting you know what the adopted policies are.
But that's the same thing we're here for, is to let you guys know what the adopted policies are for you guys.
so then other people have the ability to have these discussions.
Here's the thing. Here's the reason why I do it. I'm not
Sure.
as look as I smart, but I'm not as smart as I look. See, there it is. But I do have a big foot, man. I like to go in there and stick my foot in doors. And a lot of times there are smart people that watch our channels, and they want us to ask certain questions, and they
Which
ask
is
certain
fine.
questions, and especially the questions, the real tough questions, the kind that make the supervisors go run and hide. Like, where's our tax dollars at? You know what I'm saying?
I do, and I'm just asking you have the respect for people that are just trying to conduct business.
Hey, bro.
That's all I'm asking.
I do. I love people. All people. You know what I'm saying?
All right, well, I appreciate you coming.
Craig
You have a
Murphy.
nice day.
Have a great day, brother.
You too.
Nice try, though.